Hello and welcome to Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel, and today we're tackling a topic that's crucial for anyone stepping into the boardroom, a director's financial responsibilities. It might sound a bit dry, but trust me, getting this wrong can have serious consequences. So stick around because we're going to make this as engaging, interesting and informative as possible, and yes, maybe even a little bit entertaining. Ever felt like you're drowning in paperwork and legal jargon? Well, when you become a company director, you're not just a figurehead. You're taking on significant legal duties, especially when it comes to the company's finances. And here at Blackstone Solicitors, based right here in England, we've seen firsthand how vital it is for directors to understand these obligations. At the heart of it all is the Companies Act 2006. This isn't just some dusty old book, it's actually the rule book for directors. And one of its key principles is Section 172, the duty to promote the success of the company. So what does this mean for your financial responsibilities? Well, it means that every financial decision you make, from approving budgets to authorizing spending, must be made with the long-term success of the company in mind. This isn't about short-term gains at any cost. It's about, sustainable growth and prosperity. You need to consider the interests of shareholders, employees, and even the community. Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty record keeping. Imagine trying to run a business without knowing where your money is going. It would be chaos. As a director, you have a legal duty to ensure that the company keeps adequate accounting records. This isn't just for the taxman. Accurate records allow you to understand the company's financial position, make informed decisions, and identify potential problems early. We're talking about things like all money received and spent by the company, a record of assets and liabilities, and statements of stock held by the company at the end of each financial year. Without these, you're flying blind, and that's a dangerous place to be as a director. So, what about avoiding insolvency? Well, it's an important question for any company facing financial difficulties. This is where things can get really serious. As a director, you have a duty to avoid wrongful trading and fraudulent trading, especially when the company is in financial difficulty. If you continue to trade when there's no reasonable prospect of the company avoiding insolvency, you could, be personally liable for the company's debts. That's right, your personal assets could be at risk. This is known as wrongful trading. And even worse is fraudulent trading, where you carry on the business with intent to defraud creditors. That's a criminal offense and carries severe penalties. It's crucial to seek professional advice early if you believe the company is heading for financial trouble. Don't bury your head in the sand. Beyond the Companies Act, directors also owe what are called fiduciary duties to the company. Think of it as a deep trust and loyalty. This means you must act in the best interests of the company, not your own personal interests or the interests of a particular shareholder. Avoid conflicts of interest. Don't put yourself in a position where your personal interests clash with those of the company. Exercise reasonable care, skill, and diligence. You're expected to act with the care that a reasonably diligent person would exercise in the same circumstances. If you have specialist skills, you're expected to use them. So what's the takeaway from all this? Being a company director is a fantastic opportunity, but it comes with significant financial responsibilities. Understanding these duties is not just about avoiding legal trouble, it's about good governance, sound business practice, and ultimately protecting the company and everyone involved. If you're ever in doubt, the best course of action is always to seek professional legal advice. Here at Blackstone Solicitors, we're always ready to help you navigate the complexities of company law and ensure you're fulfilling your duties correctly. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it informative and perhaps even a little bit entertaining. If you have any questions or need further advice, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more legal insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next upload. See you next time.